When it gets to the female part of you, the subconscious mind, that it's going to birth whatever seed or whatever thought that you think about. That's why you got to understand these laws of mind, because you can't get away from the laws of mind. Remember, everything is mind. First, everything starts in the mind. The thought precedes the action. So I'm trying to make sure that you're aware of what you're thinking at all times. That's why if you look through the wisdom of the ages, they told us to be present, to be mindful of what you're doing right now, because your thoughts today are creating your future. And you need to understand this. Everything is thought. So let's get in control of our thoughts. Let's get in control of our, let's learn how to calm our mind so we can focus on what we want out of life, and we can use these universal laws for us. So listen, do me a favor, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this information is helping you, because that's what I want to do. I want to be the change in the world, and each day we can all grow, but it's going to start with a sense of awareness and knowing who we are.